Good morning, friends. Welcome to Indian Travel Online. We offer Golden Triangle tours. The Golden Triangle is one of the most popular tourist circuit in India, connecting the national capital Delhi, Agra, and Jaipur. The triangle's route over some of the most famous historical and culture sites in India. Here's a details overview of the Golden Triangle Tours India. Day 1, arrive in Delhi. Delhi is the starting point of the Golden Triangle Tours. Its city the beautiful blend of the old with the new. Here is beautiful attraction like a Red Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This historical fort served as the main residence of the Mughal empires. Qutub Minar, another UNESCO site, it is the tallest brick minar in the world. India Gate, a war memorial dedicated to Indian soldiers who died in World War I. Humayun Tombs, the tombs of the Mughal Empire. Humayun, it inspired the designs of the Taj Mahal. Lotus Temple, a Baha'i house of worships, notable for its flower-like shape. Jama Masjid, one of the largest mosques in India. Rajghat, a memorial dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi. Friends, Day 2, Delhi to Agra. Delhi to Agra about 233 kilometers and by road about 4 hours. Agra is home to the icon Taj Mahal and other Mughal era monuments. Here is beautiful attractions like a Taj Mahal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. This white marble Muslims was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of the wife Mumtaz Mahal. Agra Fort, another UNESCO site. This red sandstone fort served as the main residence of the Mughal empires until 1638. Itmudullah tombs, often referred to as the baby Taj Mahal, the Muslims is considered a draft of the Taj Mahal. Mehtab Bagh, a garden complex with a stunning view of the Taj Mahal from across the Yamuna rivers. Friends, Day 3, Agra to Jaipur via Fatehpur Sikri. Agra to Jaipur about 240 kilometers and a 5 hours journey. On the way to Jaipur, you can stop at Fatehpur Sikri, an ancient city built by Empire Akbar. Here is beautiful attraction Buland Darwaja, the gate of magnificence, is the highest gateway in the world. Jama Masjid, one of the largest mosques in India. Panch Mahal, a 5-storied plantains staircase. Tombs of Salim Chishti, a white marble tombs of the Sufi Sant Salim Chishti. Day 4, Jaipur. Jaipur, also known as the Pink City, is the capital of Rajasthan and is known for its rich cultural heritage. Here is many beautiful attractions like Amer Fort, a magnificent fort with a blend of Hindu and Mughal architecture. City Palace, a complex of courtyard, gardens and buildings including the Chandra Mahal and Mubarak Mahal. Hawa Mahal, The Palace of Wind is a unique five-story palace with a facade of 953 small window. Jantar Mantar, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is a astronomical observatory built by Maharaja Jai Singh II. Jal Mahal, a palace located in the middle of the Mansagar Lakes. Day 5, Jaipur to Delhi. Jaipur to Delhi about 268 kilometers and a 5-6 hour journey by road. After breakfast, you can return to Delhi or continue your travels to other destinations in India. Friends, we give you best tips for a Golden Triangle tour. Golden Triangle tour, best time to visit. The ideal times is between October and March when the weather is pleasant. Transportation, you can travel by cars, bus or train, private tours with the drivers and also popular places with the guides. Accommodations, there are plenty of options ranging from budget hotels in the luxury resorts in all three cities. Don't miss out one trying local delicacies like Delhi street food, Agra Petha and Jaipur Rajasthani Thali. The Golden Triangle tours provide a comprehensive introductions to India, rich history, cultures and horticultural wonders. Friends, you want any information about a Golden Triangle tours and customized packages in your budget, you call to Indian Travel Online. We explain very well and give the best offer and deals. Thanks.